Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss chapter 20, part 2. Previously, in this chapter, we discussed first two points with introduction. In this part, we'll discuss third importance of this chapter number 20, Sanskrita Bhasha Vaishishtam, the importance of Sanskrit language. In part 2, we'll discuss some of the remaining importance will be discussed in the rest of the videos. Okay, that is chapter number 20. It is third importance, Trutiyam Vasishtam, the third importance. Acharyana Paninina Virachitam, Ashtadhayi Namna, Prasidham Sanskrit Vyakaranam, Manava Mastiskasya Sarvatama Kruti Vartate. Etadrusam Vyakaranam Anyatra na upalabhyate. Acharyana Paninina, by the scholar Panini, Virachitam written, Ashtadhayi Nama Prasidham Sanskrit Vyakaranam, the famous grammar book written by Ashtadhyayi, written by Panini, known as Ashtadhyayi, Manava Mastiskasya, of the human brain, Sarvatma Kuti, the best creation. Acharyana Paninina, written by Panini, the scholar Panini, Virachitam written, Ashtadhayi Namna Prasidham Sanskrit Vyakaranam. Prasidham, famous Sanskrit Vyakaranam, Sanskrit grammar, known as Ashtadhayi. Manava Mastiskasya Sarvatma Kuti is the best creation of human brain. I repeat, the famous grammar book written by Panini, known as Ashtadhyayi, is the best creation of human brain. Etadusam Vyakaranam Anyatra na upalabhyate. This kind of work is not found anywhere. Etadusam Vyakaranam, this kind of grammar, Anyatra na upalabhyate, is not found anywhere. I mean, it indicates this type of work is found in Sanskrit only, not in other languages. So, this is the third importance. So, here you need to remember Ashtadhyayi, name of the book, author is Panini. And this is one of the best example in Sanskrit, that is a grammar book written by Panini. Now, Chaturtham Vaishishtam, the fourth importance. Sanskrita Bhashayam Mahabharata Namna Prasiddha Eka Grantha Vartate. What is the fourth importance we are discussing now? Sanskrita Bhashayam, in Sanskrit language, Mahabharata Namna, known as Mahabharata, Prasiddha Eka Grantha Vartate. There is a famous book in Sanskrit language known as Mahabharata. Sa Laksha Sloka Parimita. It is consisting of 1 lakh sloka. Etadrusa Vishalaka Grantha. This kind of huge book, this kind of large book, Nikhilepi Samsare Nasti, is not found anywhere in the entire world. This kind of large book is not found in the entire world. Idamapi Sanskritasya Aparam Vaishishtam. This is the another importance of Sanskrit language. Okay. Now, Panchama Vaishishtam, fifth importance. Ramayanam Nama Suprasiddham Adikavyam Asti. There is a famous book known as Ramayana, written by Valmiki, is not mentioned here. Puratana Bharate Ayam Grantha, in ancient India, Ayam Grantha, this book, Anekasu Lipisu Likhita, it was written in several languages. Samprati sa Nevari, Maithili, Bengali, Devanagari, Telugu, Grantha, Malayalam, Sarada, Ityadisu Lipisu Likhita Milati. So this kind of nowadays that Ramayana, which was written earlier in ancient India, and it was written in different scripts, now it is available to be written in different scripts like Nevari, Maithili, Bengali, Devanagari, Telugu, Grantha, Malayalam, Sarada, etc. I mean, it is one of the importance. Ramayana, even though it was Adikavya, originally written in Sanskrit, in ancient India, this book was found to be written in different scripts, but now it is available in this script. Sanskrita Bhasha etadusha bahava grantha santi, ye prachina kale anekasu lipisu likhita. This type of several books found in Sanskrit language, which was written in different scripts in ancient India. Etadrusa upakramam, this kind of tradition, api Sanskritasya Vaishishtam is the importance of Sanskrit language. I mean, the author has tried to emphasize the work Ramayana, which was written in Sanskrit as well as available in different scripts. So this is one of the importance of Sanskrit language. So in this video, we discuss three importance. One is Ashtadhyayi written by Panini, that is third importance. In fourth importance, we discuss Mahabharata, which is consisting of 1 lakh sloka written by Vedvyas, and this kind of large book is not found in the world in any language. And fifth Vasishtha, we discuss fifth importance Ramayana, which is known as Adi Kavya, which was originally written by Valmiki in Sanskrit. Later on, it was written in different scripts, and nowadays also it is available in Nevari, Maithili, Bengali, Devanagari, Telugu, Gramtha, Malayalam, Sarda, etc. scripts. Okay, so this kind of books, this type of books in ancient India were written in different scripts. So this kind of tradition is found only in Sanskrit, so not in other languages. Nowadays, you might find thousands or lakhs of books, but which is written in one the language only. But this was written in different script. The reason is the importance is like that, so that it can reach to each and every person of the world. So that it has been translated. So this is the importance we discussed in this video. Rest of the importance we'll discuss in rest of the video. So your work is to complete the homework in a notebook. Okay, write translation, and if you have any queries, please contact me in my contact details. Before you wind up the video, subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends and like it. And thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Children, please listen. Don't think that a board has skipped some of the lesson and it becomes easy. But rest of the chapters we have to follow properly. We have to read them seriously and attentively, so that you can score well, you can get good mark in exam. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. If you have queries, please contact me. I have provided PDF also for translation. You can go through them and you have to write the translation in your own notebook. Thank you. Have a nice time.